Okay, here's a quick demo of using AI to assist with creating a discount schedule in Salesforce. So I've gone ahead and installed this iDialog discount schedule agent into my org. So now we can go on over to discount schedules, and let's go ahead and create a new schedule. Let's call this a hardware discount schedule. And I'm going to add to the page layout the AI assistant for this custom object. So we go over to AI assistant, drag and drop it here, save it. Let's go back. Okay, so now we can interact with this agent. If you're not familiar with discount schedules, so if you're selling products or you're quoting in Salesforce, you have the ability to provide automatically different discounts based on normally it's the quantity. The more you buy, the more discounts you get. But oftentimes people offline will use Excel or will largely Excel just to figure out their profit margins, and they stage all the discounts ahead of time so they can hand this over to a CPQ consultant or system administrator to configure the discount. So with an AI assistant, we're going to walk through pretty much what you would do in an Excel type of scenario. So this agent has a lot of knowledge, not only specifically Salesforce, but broadly speaking, it understands P&L and discounts and pricing at a pretty in-depth, like PhD level. So at a high level, I'm just asking it to help me customize a discount schedule. It's giving me kind of an overview, different types of range versus slab, profitability, cost of goods, unit price. And so it's kind of my online, I could sit here for an hour and actually just ask it a lot of follow-up questions. But what I want to do is drill down into, let's build a schedule for a particular product, list all products. Okay, so it's listed all the products. It's grouped them by family, software, hardware, um, and many more. Didn't give me the complete details. Let's go ahead and build it for the this 5 kilowatt battery. So let's create a discount schedule for product 5 kilowatt battery. So it's, as my assistant, it should start asking some leading questions. It's going to try to figure out the optimal discount. It's going to need to gather some information. So it's just providing some next steps. Wants to know like cost of goods, any particular discounting logic. So I'm going to tell it, so the COGS are $50. The retail list price is 110. The discount tiers should be in ranges of, let's say, 1 to 10, 10 to 100, 100 to upper bound there. As if I were building a spreadsheet, I would want to look at these different ranges, the different discounts with respective discounts of 10%, 20%, and 30%. So give me an analysis of both range and slab pricing. So we're utilizing the latest OpenAI models. They can do very in-depth computation and reasoning. So basically the same model you would use in any sort of enterprise ChatGPT application. So this is going to go off for a minute and do the computations. It's built into the model to not let me discount too much. So obviously, if you get into a situation where sales reps are discounting below the actual cost of goods, you can have both built into your CPQ of preventative measures against that, and also real-time and quoting. So here it's done a breakdown. It's basically saying for the three tiers I'm proposing at 10, 20, and 30% discount, here would be the total revenue. Here would be the total cost, net profit margins. Margins are looking good, 49, 43, 35. I can also set within the AI, add it to its memory to say I can never go below, say, a 10% profit margin. So it won't build out the discount tiers if I start to go below that threshold. So it's done a comparison. It looks like slab pricing is slightly more profitable. Slab's at 35. So I'm going to go ahead and let's see. It's recommending, for simplicity, use range. If profitability, margin control are priorities, use slab. So let me know which one you want, and I'll create the tiers. So let's just say, yeah, go ahead and create the tiers, assume slab pricing. Okay, it looks like it was successful. I'll get a summary here. So it says the creation of the schedule was successful, provides an overview. So I can confirm that. I can go over to the discount tiers tab. And if I refresh here, then sure enough, here we go. We have a tier from 1 to 10. 10 to 100, and 100 up to an upper bound with respective 10, 20, 30%. So that's just a sub 10-minute overview. If you'd like a deeper demo, then feel free to reach out to me anytime.